This is probably the easiest, quickest and simple natural hairstyle I have shared on this channel. Trust me, I share so many simple hairstyles. If you're someone who can cornrow your hair, you can braid your own hair by yourself, you would definitely love this. This style does not have to be done on extremely long hair. If your hair is short, trust me, you can achieve this style. And if your hair is like medium length like mine or short to medium, you can definitely achieve this hairstyle. And if your hair is long, this is for you as well. So stay tuned and we'll head straight into the video. Hi sisters, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey girl, hi, thank you so much for stopping by. If you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button before you leave. To start off this hairstyle or any hairstyle generally, I love to spray my hair with a leave-in conditioner just so I dampen it a bit and I'm not working on dry hair because I have low porosity hair. There's a high chance my hair can be dry. I washed my hair a couple days ago, put it in braid, and after that I took it down and put it in this bantu knot. So yeah, that's why my hair was in bantu knots. I'm going to start off by sectioning the back of my hair. I'm going to be using clip-ins for this hairstyle, so this is the part where I'm going to attach the clip-ins. That's why I'm sectioning off this part. I'm just going to braid it down just so it does not, you know, affect the other parts I'm working with. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to section my hair into what's that? I cannot speak anymore. But anyways, I'm going to section the front part into two sections. Then I'm going to cornrow it down. This part, my cornrows are not the best. They're not the greatest. They're not the neatest. They're not the firmest. But if you're someone who can cornrow your hair really swiftly and smooth and nice and neat, then please put in all the effort here. I tried my best. Well, that's not my best, to be honest. I tried to create a cornrow as neat as I can, or make the cornrow as neat as I can, but guys, just bear with me. So please, thank you very much. And I also noticed I now have more gray hairs. My hair has been in cornrows for a while, so when I took it out, washed it, when I was recording the video, I started, you know, pinpointing more gray hairs. I don't know what that means. I don't know, but yeah, I have more gray hairs now. But I'm not someone who is very bothered by gray hairs. I just love them, or I don't hate them, so they're just there. It's like when I see them, like, oh, you're new, hi. But yeah, I'm just combing my hair, making sure it's detangled. Before you cornrow your hair, make sure your hair is very detangled so the cornrow is neat. I honestly do not feel I can give any tips or tricks on how to cornrow your hair, because especially in big sections, because yeah, my skills are not there yet. But this new year, I'm going to definitely improve on that. That's something I really want to improve. Anything related to like styling my hair or, you know, doing my own hair, I want to improve on that. What are some of the things you guys would like to improve on in this new year? Because I feel it's the new year, most people want to like change their lives or do one or two things. I'm one of those people. I've gotten to a point where it's more of just getting better at what I'm doing, because every day I try to get better at what I'm doing. So because it's a new year doesn't mean I'm going to stop what I was trying to get better at and start a whole new life somewhere else. No, it's just getting better at what you're doing. It's just a new year, yes, but you're still on this journey of life, and you know, we get better at everything. So yeah, what are some of the things you guys want to improve on when it comes to yourself, your beauty and everything? I don't know why my hair was scratching me. Like, it was scratching me, I think because I had not done anything to my hair in such a long time. So this whole thing was just, it was new for me for a while, okay? Now I'm done making the cornrows. I did not really feel, like you guys know, I've mentioned it at the beginning of the video, I did not really feel how the cornrows were looking. I wish I had time to rebraid this one, the one on the left, but I just decided, you know what, I'm just going to use bobby pins to hold it down and put it in place because I felt it was not as tight as I wanted it. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the back section I had initially put in a braid, do that, separate it into two and add my clip-ins. So I'm using a 2-clip clip-ins on one side just so it has that fullness, and this clip-in still has like the curls that it came with. I washed it so it's still, you know, curly and everything. And I also did the same thing on the other side. I used the 2-clip clip-in just so they are equal, and when I'm done with that I'm going to put it into a ponytail. So why did I say this hairstyle was easy for long hair, short hair, or is good for long hair, short hair? Is because it doesn't matter how short your hair is. If you can go into a cornrow, that's fine. All you have to do is just add the clip-ins and then put it into a puff. So I'm going to make it like a ponytail and then fold it inwards, if that makes sense. Fold it inwards as you can see me doing, and then leave some ends out, and that's it. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side and tie my hair down with my scarf, just because, you know, the scarf is the one that forms the hairstyle, as you guys know from this channel. I let my hair sit in for about 5 minutes while I finish up with my makeup and change my outfit. This is the final look. This is what the hair looks like. It's really nice. There's just something when you tie your hair with a scarf. I am someone, whenever I go out, I always like to tie my hair in the scarf. When I get to where I'm going to, I take out the scarf just so the hairstyle looks really neat. But there's something with tying your hair down. It just makes it look very neat. Now I'm fluffing out the puffs I have at the back section just to give it that curly effect, and this is the final look. This is the final result. I really like this hairstyle. I think it's cute. Like I mentioned, if you're someone who is really good at cornrows, then this hairstyle will be very beautiful on you. You can also do it with flat twist. It depends on your choice. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I've come to the end of this video. Let me know what your thoughts are about this hairstyle, where you would style your hair to with this hairstyle, and I would see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys have an amazing new year, because yeah, it's almost the new year. I'm excited for this new year, for the content I'll be creating, and what are you guys looking forward to in this new year, and what would you like to see from this channel? I'm actually curious to know. Please let's talk in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.